Hello, meet again on the Bilex 7 channel. This time, I want to invite you to dive into a unique and inspiring architectural work from Japan, namely the house in Katsushika by Yo Irie Architects. This house is not just a place to live, but also an example of how design can revive old buildings with a modern and functional touch. Imagine a 30-year-old building that used to be a newspaper office and employee housing. With creativity and sharp vision, Yo Irie Architects managed to transform it into a warm and comfortable home. They dismantled the old interior layer to expose the steel structure and ALC, autoclaved lightweight concrete, walls that were still sturdy. Interestingly, this steel structure is left open, not only as an aesthetic element but also functions as a heat storage and allows flexibility in interior design. One of the interesting features of this house is the use of external insulation that wraps around the entire building. This reduces thermal bridges and increases energy efficiency. In the piano room on the first floor, multi-layer windows made of FRP and polycarbonate not only provide high insulation but also good sound diffusion and maintain the privacy of the occupants. The interior design of this house is very flexible. With an open steel structure, occupants can easily add or modify interior elements as needed without special tools. This allows for easy adaptation of the space as the occupants' lifestyles change. House in Katsushika teaches us that with the right approach, old buildings can be revived into modern, efficient, and characterful spaces. Design that takes into account energy efficiency, flexibility, and sustainability is key to creating comfortable and environmentally friendly future homes.